So what you doing, Vio? So you found a whole box of old floppy disks. What are you doing with them? Okay. What are you doing with it? What are you doing? Okay. Some go in the box. Okay, good enough. And the other ones? And the okay, sure. This is good. I have a lot of stuff I need to organize. Where's that one gonna go? Okay, and then smash the box. Sure, it's empty. So, did I see you doing what I think you were doing a minute ago? Did you? Yes, you did. Well, here are the rest of the floppy disks. In the utility closet. Okay, so I guess that was a good place for them. Good enough. Okay. And on to the next thing. Oh, I'm sorry. Your sink is hiding behind the curtain, huh? God bless you, little creature.
Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it time to eat?
Hey, Vio. Violetta. Can you look at Mommy?
How long does it take to cook?
Violetta.
Take a look. Open the door. Peek inside.
Well, let me know what else you organize, okay? I'll come check on you later. Okay. Enjoy.